In today's video, we will solve the UGC NET Paper 2 Education's previous question paper. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Internal criticism is a required step in option A. Experimental research, option B. Historical research, option C. Descriptive research, option D. Philosophical research. First option, experimental research. Experimental research is designed for the establishing causal relationship. And what are the three basic characteristics of experimental research? Number 1, control. Number 2, manipulation. And number 3, observation. You have to know this. To understand what is historical research, I put you an example. Example are growth of trade union in India, evolution of modern education system in India. These are the example of historical research. So if you talk about descriptive research is all about describing the phenomenon, observing and drawing conclusion from it. So we understand that internal criticism is linked with historical research. Second question, which sampling technique will be most appropriate to draw a representative sample of heterogeneous population? Option A, stratified random, option B, quota, option C, purposive, option D incidental. So the right answer is stratified random. Question number 3, chi-square test is an example of right answer is non-parametric test. Question number 4. A highly reliable test is required for the purpose of option A, using teacher made test, option B, testing for research purpose, option C, dividing students into ability groups, option D, providing guidance services. And the right answer is C, dividing students into ability groups. Question number 5. Which of the following won a Nobel Prize for his pioneering work on learning theory? Let's see the options. Option A, R. M. Guiney. Option B, J. S. Brunner. Option C, Lev Vygotsky. Option D, Ivan Pavlov. And the right answer is Ivan Pavlov. Option D. Question number 6. According to Piaget, cognitive development in human beings takes place through 4 important stages. Identify the correct order of these stages. If you remember a short mnemonic, that is SPCS, you can easily answer these questions. SPCS means sensory motor stage, pre-operational, concrete operational, and the formal operational stage. So among the following option D is correct. This question is very important, and this question is repeated in various examinations. And this question may be asked in AMED entrance test. So you have to know this. Let's see the next question, that is question number 7. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. A is linked with 3. Self theory, Carl Roger. B. Kurt Lewin. Kurt Lewin linked with field theory. Bandura is linked with 2. Social learning theory. And D. Brunner is linked with cognitive theory. So the right answer is D. 3, 1, 2, 5. This is also a repeated questions, and this questions is asked many times in UGC NET education. Let's see the question number 8. In Pavlov's experiments on the salivary conditioning of dogs, the CS was. The right answer is option C, the sound of bell. It is a CS, that is conditioned stimulus. Question number 9. Kohler developed option A, SR bond theory, option B, insight theory, option C, field theory, option D, conditioning theory. Among the following options, the right answer is option B, that is insight theory. Question number 10. Which of the following is an incorrect pair? Option A, multiple theory of intelligence, Guilford. Option B, theory of classical conditioning, Pavlov. Option C, psychosocial theory, Erickson. Option D, theory of meaningful verbal learning, Ashubel. Among the following options, the right answer will be option A, multiple theory of intelligence, Guilford. Because Guilford gave SOI model, not given the multiple intelligence theory. It was given by Gardner. Let's see the question number 11. What is the view of educational sociologist on character education? Among the following options, the right answer will be option D. Character education should involve the direct discussion of moral issues. Let's see the question number 12. Investment in education is the single largest item of expenditure next to defense in many countries today. What is the social justification? And the right answer is option B. 2 and 4 will be the right answer. 2. Education is a panacea for social ills. And 4. Education helps to produce security, prosperity, and social well being for all. Let's see the question number 13. Which was the major factor for caste distinction in India before independence? Read the question very carefully. The question asked before independence. So, religion, poverty, English education will not the right answer. So, the right answer will be family occupation. That is option D will be the right answer. Question number 14. Deductive reasoning helps in deductive reasoning, that is general to specific. Option A, research reporting. Option B, formulation of hypothesis. Option C, data analysis. Option D, tool preparation. So the right answer will be formulation of hypothesis. Here option B will be the right answer. Question number 15. Which method focuses on generating new hypotheses? Option A, pattern. Option B, deductive. Option C, inductive. And option D, none is correct. And the right answer is option C, inductive. Let's see the next question, that is question number 16. The feasibility of a research study should be considered in the light of option A, potential ethical concerns. Option B, skills required for the researcher. Option C, cost and time required to conduct the research. And option D is all of above. So the right answer will be option D, that is all of above. Question number 17. Which of the following is not the feature of symbols assigned to categorize on a normal scale? Option A, no quantitative meaning. Option B, nothing more than labels or names. Option C, may be ordered according to magnitude. And option D, cannot be subjected to arithmetic operations. So among the following option, the right answer will be C, that is, may be ordered according to magnitude. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 18. The learning theories under behaviorist category are based on the belief that option A, child is a natural learner. Option B, environment can change a man. Option C, all behaviors can be learned. Option D, everybody can learn everything. So the right answer is option C, all behaviors can be learned. Question number 19. Brunner identified three major stages of cognitive growth. Identify the correct order of the stages. Option A, symbolic, iconic, enactive. Option B, iconic, symbolic, enactive. Option C, enactive, iconic, symbolic. Option D, symbolic, enactive, iconic. Among the following option, right answer will be C, that is enactive, iconic, symbolic. You can remember this by remembering a good trick, that is alphabetically E is first, then I, then S. Show enactive, iconic, and symbolic. Question number 20. Army beta test is an example of, again very direct question, group nonverbal test of intelligence. We all know that the right answer will be option B. Question number 21. Critically judge the following. Assertion, reason question. Assertion. Adulation is a period of stress and storm. And the reason, capacity to acquire and utilize their knowledge reaches its peak. And the right answer will be option B. Both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation. The responses which are followed by satisfying after effects trains to be learned is the law of exercise, the law of effect, the law of readiness, and the law of relativity. Among the following option, the right answer will be option B, that is the law of effect. Question number 23. Spranger's typology is based on main option A interests, option B body structure, option C behavior, option D attitude. Among the following option, the right answer will be A interests. Question number 24. What is meant by the term socialization? Option A. Influencing the rural illiterate masses by social and service organizations to send their children to school regularly. Option B. Media information, including advertisements, to keep their houses, streets, and public places clean. Option C. Process of interaction among members of the society and inhabiting values. Option D. Participating in social service activities. Among the following options, the right answer will be option C. Process of interaction among members of the society and inhabiting values. Question number 25. Who is regarded as a father of sociology? Again, very direct question. The right answer will be option A, Auguste Comte. He actually used the term sociology first time in 1838 to refer the scientific study of the society. He was a French philosopher. He was born in the year 1798 and he died in the year 1857. So this is the today's video. We will discuss the next part, that is next 25 questions into the another video. I will give the link of the next video that will contain another 25 questions. So please check it out in the description box. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Stay tuned.